Iing-ihi na ako. So, katatapos na umihi, yung feeling na iing-ihi ka na pero may tae pa sa inodoro. Kadiri lang, pero kinaya ko naman. Kasi iing-ihi na ako, wala na akong choice, kundi... Binuksan. Balik na natin siya. Baka makita pa tayo. Yan. So, nandito po tayo sa pinakamataas na escalator sa buong mundo. Tignan po natin siya. Mandiliit po siya doon. Tignan niyo po siya kung gano'n siya kaliit, guys. Hindi niyo na, halos tuldok na lang siya. Sobrang taas niyan. Good afternoon, Tuesday. So, for today, I am planning to go to the gym. Sana for 2 weeks, makapunta ako sa gym at least kahit 1 hour lang every day. And yeah, let's just go to the gym now because I am in a rush because we're gonna go after this to Submarine Crab. Favorite ko yung restaurant na yon. Malayo siya dito eh. So, mga 1 hour, 1.5 pa yung biyahe papunta doon. Kasama ko si Ate M and si Papa kasi kaming tatlo day off kami today. So, we're gonna eat out there. I decided to go to the gym para naman quits lang, di ba? Pag kumain ako doon ng marami. Actually, tagal-tagal ko na nag-crave talagang makapunta doon kaso wala akong time makapunta. So, today is my chance to go there to eat different kind of seafood because I've been craving for seafoods for so long. So yeah, this is my outfit from Victoria's Sport and Ivy Park, and I have the Nike shoes. Let's go. So I'm finally here in front of the gym. This is where I go every time. It's in Skylake nearby my house. So yeah, we're just gonna go inside. So this is my LA Fitness. I'm a member of LA Fitness for like 3 years now. This is my membership card and they're just gonna, how do you call this? They're just gonna scan this when I go there. So I'm now here inside the gym locker.
Kilometers later.
Just finished my workout for today. Hindi ako masyadong nagtagal sa gym kasi nga, ayun nga, alis pa kami mamaya. And I am now hurrying to go home because they're waiting for me. And I need to take shower first before we go to the submarine. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Just finished taking a bath. And nagmamadali na kami. So, dinala ko na lang ang aking pang makeup. Papa is gonna drive.
So, ayan guys. Alam mo, kasi tayo mag-Walmart. Nasa natin, papag-traffic na tayo ng aking everyday makeup.
That's my outfit. Yay! We're finally here at the submarine crab. So, it's cloudy day and it's almost gonna rain now. So, let's go. Finally here sa Pembroke Pines. Ihi na ako. Umihi. Sa submarine crab. Ano ako sa loob? Right here. Punta muna ako restroom pa. So, katatapos na umihi, yung feeling na ihi ka na pero may tae pa sa inodoro. Kadiri lang, pero kinaya ko naman. Kasi ihi na ako, wala na akong choice, kundi. No crabby attitudes though. I got my Sisal Jasmine Thai tea. What you got? What?
Agua.
Just agua and her agua. So for appetizer we have crab rangoon and we're wearing something crazy. We're wearing this halter top. Crab rangoon halter top
Naano na puro.
para maiwasan yung dumi. Sarap ba pa?
Nothing inside.
Huh? Yeah, there's nothing inside.
Ano siguro?
The review. Ayan ang ating outfit of the day. Crab rangoon halter top.
Yeah, pagka-prito mo. Scallop. And the fried rice. Cajun. Feel talaga. Yeah. Feel ng scallop eh.
And I'm still working on my crab rangoon. This is the most awaited part. There's no lobster. There was the egg. Your touch. Pa. Yan po ang aftermath ng aming kinain.
Wala. Bilis.
So, we finally finished eating at Submarine Crab. Craving satisfied. Right? Sinong pinakamarami nakaing seafood? Ako kinain ko lang rice. So, we're heading back
I only
to
ate
our...
one spoon of rice and some shrimp. That's
We're
all I
heading
ate.
back to
Oh,
Miami.
I ate all the sausage.
You're a sausage person.
It's only 3 pieces. And you guys are busy eating lobster.
Fried rice.
Fried rice. I'm busy
Fried
eating my
rice.
fried
Siya,
rice.
kalahati
Fried rice
fried rice
and
sa kanya.
That's my first time kong tanra yung fried rice. Last
Yeah.
time wala tayong fried rice
Yeah,
eh.
they
Pero
only have
sarap
one
kaya.
kind of fried rice.
Yeah.
It's only Cajun.
So, halos kalahati sa'yo. Kalahati niya sa ice.
Wow. It's raining man. Hallelujah, it's raining man. Hey, hey. So, we're finally here at the TJ Maxx. Lalang libot-libot lang. Sobrang lakas ng ulan sa labas. And tignan kami mabasa. Tingin na ako ng mattress para sa aking bed. And ito pala, bibili ako ng ganito. Gusto ko yung fur. Maraming furry. So, we're gonna buy the LED lights for my room. Ito, pinili ko siya. Personal LED light box. And ito yung gusto kong isa pang curtain lights. Dahil mahilig ako sa mga ilaw-ilaw sa room. Binili ko na rin to. Actually, bibilin pa lang. And tinignan ko yung isang box na ganito. Tingnan ko sa personal kung gano'n ba siya kahaba or kung anong size niya. Check ko ulit. So, pumunta tayo dito ulit. Kung saan ko nakuha yan. Where? Oh, over there. Dito talaga ako laging nag-i-stay sa side na to ng TJ Maxx kasi ang profit ng mga So, ganito siya. Open natin kung paano ba yan. Check natin. Kung gaano ba kahaba to. Oh my God. Kasha to. Pagkawalan ako dito. Maulan na naman. We're gonna go now to Ross. To another shopping center.
Hey boy, what's it think you're the only one in the road? Shut the fuck up.
Oo naman si ate. Hindi na nga, sama ko na nga sa video. Ate, hindi siya, So now, we're gonna go to the Ross shopping center. Yan lang naman ang gawain namin.
Kahit umuulan.
On a daily basis. Kahit umuulan, walang magpapa. So now, I'm planning on getting my tattoo. So what should I get now? Shit. So we're here at the Ross now. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan si ate. Nakikipag-hide and seek siya sa akin. Alam ko na kung nasaan siya. Ayun, nasa pangbata. Yan. So, nandito po tayo sa pinakamataas na escalator sa buong mundo. Tignan po natin siya. Mandidiit po siya doon. Hintayin natin siya maakyat hanggang sa Tingnan niyo po kung gaano kataas yan, guys. Ayun po siya sa tuktok ng Mount Everest. Grabe. So now it's my turn after pag nandun na siya sa pinakataas. Tingnan niyo po siya kung gaano siya kaliit, guys. Hindi niya na, halos tuldok na lang siya sa sobrang taas niyan. So ngayon, turn ko na. OMG. Oh my God. Parang maano ako dito. Kung makakapit wagas. Parang hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari sa akin. Nanginginig. Sa mga gantong escalator, bawal kayo magtakbuhan. Oh my God. Hindi rin advisable dito yung mga bata na kung sila lang mag-isa. Parang kailangan may parental guidance. Oh my God, finally. So, we just got home and guess what? It's raining and we just wanna lay down in bed right now while eating Magnum ice cream. And we're gonna watch Netflix as well. Riverdale. Come on, go. Riverdale season...
Season 1 pa lang ako.
Season 3. Iba na lang watch natin. So, yan. We're just gonna watch Netflix while connecting Wi-Fi. Go to M. Anong watch natin? Maybe horror movie. I think I'm gonna end this video now. I'll see you on Wednesday.
Wednesday or Tuesday?
Wednesday. Ano yun? Tuesday nga